In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create flashcards template in Notion. By the end, you'll have a simple, reusable setup for studying that feels smooth and stays organized. First, open Notion and create a new database. You can start with either a table or a gallery. A table is great for quickly defining properties, while a gallery can feel more visual. Name the database flashcards so it's easy to find later and stays consistent across your workspace. Next, let's define the properties that make your flashcards useful. Your title property will hold the question, which is the front of the card. Then add a text or rich text property for the answer, which serves as the back of the card. Create a select property called status with options like new, learning, and mastered. This gives you a clear snapshot of your progress and helps you triage what to study next. Add a checkbox called reveal answer. Think of this as a personal cue. Unchecked means you are testing yourself. Checked means you've revealed the back. Finally, add a date property for last review or next review, whichever makes more sense for how you like to schedule study sessions. Now, standardize everything with a template, so every new card starts the same way. Inside the database, click the arrow next to the blue New button and choose to create a new template. Give it a clear name, like New Flashcard. In the template page, add gentle placeholders such as type your question here and type your answer here. Pre-select status as new, leave reveal answer unchecked, and optionally set the date field blank so you can fill it in after each review. This keeps your workflow fast and consistent. To make studying more intuitive, switch your database view to a board. Use the view selector at the top left of your database and choose board. The board will group your cards by the status property, creating columns for new, learning, and mastered. Now you can drag and drop cards between columns as your understanding improves, which makes progress feel tangible. From here, using your template is easy. Click New. Pick your flashcard template, write the question and answer, and start studying. Check reveal answer when you flip the card for yourself. Drag the card to the right column when you are ready and update the date to track your last or next review. That's it, your Notion flashcards template is ready to go. Thanks for watching.